The standing overhead dumbbell triceps extension with two dumbbells primarily targets the long head of the triceps. Using two dumbbells instead of one helps to ensure balanced muscle development on both arms. However, it does increase the difficulty in maintaining proper form. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keeping your knees slightly bent. Hold one dumbbell in each hand with an overhand grip. Raise the dumbbells overhead until your arms are fully extended, keeping your elbows close to your ears. Tighten your abdominal muscles to stabilize your spine while keeping your back straight and head in neutral position. Keep your upper arms stationary and close to your head, then slowly lower the dumbbells behind your head by bending your elbows, allowing only your forearms to move. Lower the dumbbells until you feel a good stretch in your triceps. Avoid lowering the weights too far as this can strain your elbows and shoulders. Press the dumbbells back up to the starting position by extending your elbows while keeping them pointing forward. Focus on using your triceps to lift the weights, keeping your upper arms still while using a controlled motion throughout the exercise to avoid swinging the weights. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.